Welcome to the Banned Photos channel. If you enjoy historical photos, support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Brooke Shields in the movie The Blue Lagoon, 1980. A berry picker is photographed in a field in Maryland, 1909, 6 years old. Child seat in front of the bike, Amsterdam, Netherlands, 1925. A British soldier with his 8-month-old daughter as he arrives at the docks from overseas, 1945. Tyra Banks. An American soldier who lost his legs in World War I. Albert Einstein at age of 14 in 1893. A police officer hard at work, issuing a woman a ticket for wearing a bikini, 1957. The very young Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. A gas station from 1920. A living United States flag formed by 10,000 Navy sailors in Illinois, 1917. Film actress Easter Walters stands while riding her motorcycle, 1920s. Dita Von Teese in her vintage magnificence. Women in witch costumes, 1800s. Motorcycle postman in 1912. A photograph of a little boy carrying a newborn lamb in Scotland, 1932. The tender beauty of young Marilyn Monroe. A Father with His Four Daughters, 1904. Man fleeing drought in South Carolina with his Model T Ford on Highway 10, Missoula, Montana. Former TIF miner, now blind, with son. Washington County, Missouri, 1939. Cameron Diaz in 1994. An officer halts traffic to make way for a cat, carrying a kitten across the street, 1925. Bill and Joe James riding a single-cylinder Monarch motorcycle, 1912. Farmer and family living in tent, Missouri, 1940. Meryl Streep in the Lens of Jack Mitchell, 1979. A Child Happy to Take a Bath in London, 1950s. Drying the Pasta, Italy, 1929. A housewife taking frozen Long Johns off the washing line, 1940s. Beauty and naturalness are synonymous for me, Kate Winslet. A woman from 1903 getting photographed for the first time. A mother helping her son with a loose tooth, 1897. Chicago in the 1920s. The young Anne Hathaway and Scarlett Johansson. A family in front of their summer home, Stockholm, Sweden, 1867. A father singing to his children, Kentucky, 1949. 6-year-old Jewel Walker picks 20 to 25 pounds of cotton a day. 1916 noon hour, going to the Klondike by train. 1898. Coal miner with 6 of his 7 children. His wife is usually sick with a bad bronchial condition. West Virginia, 1938. (1913) messenger boy in Waco, Texas. New York in the 50s. Jerusalem in a rare heavy snow, 1921. Chicago in 1941. A worker cuts sugarcane on a plantation, Puerto Rico, 1940s. Food truck, 1919. Children in Schoolroom in the Lower East Side, New York, 1886. A sharecropper and his wife in Mississippi, 1937. A stylish couple with their car in 1907. Outdoor stove, washstand, and other household equipment of family, Texas, 1939. A group of children playing, Nebraska, 1910. Dutch boy with a pillow strapped on his backside to soften the falling on ice while skating, 1933. Migrant farm worker with his wife and 10 children, 1936. Young delivery boy, 1920s. Chainmaker from 1899. Frozen Niagara Falls, 1911. The Sears Motor Buggy for $3.95, 1909. Roller Skating Friends, England, 1926. Charles C. Ebbets with his trusty camera hanging out over New York City. An unusual couple for this era. Dunkin' Donuts in 1948. A Victorian girl from the 1860s. New York City street life in 1954. Proud Grandpa watches solo rope skip. Indiana, April 16, 1941. New York City in the 40s. Women eating hot dogs at White City Amusement Park, Chicago, 1920s. A school in Seattle 144 years ago? A young mother, 22, Oregon, 1939. Emergency mule power, Franklin County, Illinois, 1939. Alberta is 5 years old and has been picking berries since she was 3. She picks steadily from sunup to sundown. Delaware, 1910. In 1920, a New York adventurer pushed his limits. Stunts like this one were very popular in the 20s, 30s. A man and a woman making funny faces, Sweden in the early 1900s.